Hands can express so many emotions in a painting, but it could be a tricky subject to draw. The common mistake is drawing one finger at a time. If you do so, I guarantee soon you will need to do a lot of erasing and redoing. The key to draw hands, like any subject, is starting with the big shapes. I like to draw on my canvas directly to save time. For beginners, you should use regular drawing paper. And when you draw from photos, it's beneficial to print an image and tape it next to your paper. Now let's start. My best tip for drawing hands is this. Imagine you are drawing a pair of mittens. What does a mitten look like? It looks like this. Examine your reference photo to see what the outline of the hands looks like. Then make straight lines like these. Decide the length and width of the palm in comparison to the 5 fingers. If needed, you can even use a ruler. Connect the 5 knuckles on the fingers to form a slightly curved line, and connect the joints of fingers to form a curvier line. Draw those lines as accurately as you can. Step 2. Now it's time to divide the 5 fingers. We are still doing straight lines at this stage. Decide the length and width of each finger. Keep checking your reference photos. Step 3. Time to draw details. This is a stage you make curved lines. It is helpful to examine your own fingers to understand the anatomy. Step 4. Shading. After you have accurately drawn lines on your paper, you can start shading. Start from the darkest parts of the photo, then move to the middle tone. Step 5. Black and white underpainting. What is underpainting? An underpainting is the first layer of paint you put on your painting surface. It acts as a foundation for your painting. Underpainting is not necessary in every painting, but for beginners, it is beneficial because you will get accurate values and don't have to deal with complicated colors at this stage. Also, for this particular painting, I designed the hands to be black and white in contrast to the red rose. Thus, make a perfect painting demo. I started by mixing lamp black and titanium white to make 5 shades of gray. Then I put the dark starts on the canvas first, then the next lighter shade, then the next. Last, I used a high-quality fan brush to blend the color together. Now you have it, a beautiful pair of hands. Here is my final painting. It is from my new Angel series. How do you like it? Drop a line in the comments. Do you like lessons just like this one? Check out my free mini course, 7 insider tips I learned in art school to help you make better art at yingmclane.com, www.yingmclane.com. See you next time.